Yo, what's good everybody? Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, guys, we're going to give you an update on the nerd rope video that we did yesterday. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get straight into this. In my quest to be a better content creator, I'm trying to give you all the information I can about a certain topic. So what I'm going to do today is we're actually going to do an update video on the nerd rope video that we did yesterday. I had some other thoughts and I thought about some different techniques and some things that would make sense for us. So what we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to update you guys on a couple things. We're going to try a couple different techniques as far as nerd ropes and nerd bites. But also what we're doing is I want to show you guys exactly what you're going to do if you're doing it in batches like I'm doing. Say you did some batches the first day, then you're going to come back the next day to do some more batches. I want to show you guys exactly what you can expect whenever you're doing that. I'm going to start doing this on a lot of the videos. There's a lot of videos that I feel that I should have did an update video for, so I'm going to start doing that on the videos going forward, because on some of these videos you really need to know what's going to happen a day after or 2 days after the fact. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get into this video. This is going to be an update nerd rope video from yesterday. Here we go. Alright guys, so it's the day after and you can see that our gummy and our coconut oil mixture here has hardened up here inside the squeeze bottle. As you can see here, the aluminum foil mold that we did is still right here, and so this is what I propose that we do. Because we have so much control with this, the squeeze bottle, whenever we were doing it, we had like amazing control over what we were doing. I'm thinking, what if we put some nerds in the tray right here and do some lines with our bottle here on the nerds there and cover them up and do them that way without the mold. So that's what I'm proposing that we do. Then most people have ice cube trays at their house, and I was thinking, what if we did some nerd bites? So that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. An updated version of the nerd ropes. I showed you how to do it with the mold. Thank you to everybody for watching that video. That video is doing great already. And we're gonna actually see if we can do this a different way. So let's go ahead and try to do this. So I'm gonna get the aluminum foil out of here and prepare this. Let's do it. Some more nerds. All right guys, so you can see what I'm doing. I have a bed of nerds right here. That's pretty even. And so we're going to try out my concept here. So the coconut oil and the gummies is really infused here. Well, if you're asking me why do I know that, a lot of times when it's not infused well, all the oil will be sitting on top. All of the oil that will be sitting on top. And if you remember, we put 3 tablespoons in here. And so the fact that you only see just a little bit sitting right here and the rest of it is infused well in, that means that we did a great job infusing this. But you can see that it's not sticking to the bottle. Some people was asking me about that in the comment section. It's not sticking to the bottle at all. The oil with the gummies really allows it to be malleable. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and then I'm going to see if, I don't know how long it's going to be. I'll let you guys know exactly how long it took me to get it to the right consistency here. But the premise of the bit is put this in the microwave, get this to soften up a little bit here, and then because we had so much control over when we were doing it, do some lines on the top of this nerd bed, if you will, and then cover that with gummies and see if we can do some nerd ropes that way. Not sure exactly how it's going to work, but we're going to find out here. All right, here we go in the microwave. All right guys, so it was in the microwave for 35-40 seconds, and as you can see now we're able to move it a little around. So now we have it where we need it to be, and just like I said, as you can see, it's not sticking to the bottle. You don't have to worry about anything like that. And now we can go ahead and do what we did whenever we made our nerd ropes the first time. So let's go ahead and do it. I got my glove right here. This right here is actually It's actually not that bad as far as the temperature, but just to be safe, it's better to be safe than sorry, you know what I mean? I'm putting the jar here so that way I can, you know, actually squeeze out some of the oil and actually get to the gummy part of it. I'll show you what I mean right now. Here we go. Let's try to make some ropes right here. Let's do them a little thicker this time. There we go. Do it 3 times. And do it again. Very nice. Look at that. Alright, do it 3 times right there. And do it again. Go 2 times, 3 times, make a nice rope, because remember this is the medicated part right here. Alright, do it again. With this squeeze bottle you have a lot of control over this gummy mixture. That's what I was really had the impression on when I did this the first time with the nerve ropes. And so now we're making thicker nerve ropes. There we go, bam. Let's stop it right there. Very nice. Put some more right here and make this one thicker. Look how much control we got over it. Like I said, this was right here was only 40 seconds in the microwave. Look at that, bam, okay. Make that a little thicker too. Bam. Alright, so that's good. Alright, so just like before, let's go ahead and take some nerds and let's go ahead and cover this up. Get another box. Alright, so now I believe I got everything covered now. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to actually just put this in the refrigerator, set it to the side while we do these nerd bites, and we'll check them out in just a second here and see if it worked out. Alright, so let me put this in the fridge, and then what I'll do is we'll go ahead and get the ice tray, and we'll go ahead and try to do these nerd bites. Here we go. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and try to do some nerd bites. As you can see, I have just a normal regular household ice tray. What we're going to do is we're going to take some oil to make sure that we can get these out of here. I'm going to take some of that non-stick coconut oil spray, but you can use, you know, whatever spray you have, non-stick spray. And we're going to spray these. And because I have a couple bucks of these nerds left, let's go ahead and spray these, put some nerds down in the bottom of a couple of these, put some more of our mixture with our coconut oil and our gummy mix, put some more of that in there, and put some nerds on the top there, and then let that sit and see how that works out for us. Let's try it. Alright, so now that we got that in there, let's go ahead and put some nerds in a couple of these. Alright, so we have some nerds in the bottom of this. Now we're going to put some of our gummy mixture in here. Let's do it. There we go. I did it another 10 seconds in the microwave, and that just made it the right consistency, so we can just go ahead and do this. There it is. We still got some more of this gummy mixture left, so let's do it some more of these. Alright guys, so we got that finished right there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take the ropes that we did on the tray. I'm going to take those out. I'm going to put these in. Let's go ahead and see how those ropes did, and then we'll come back to these as soon as those are finished. Here we go. Alright guys, so we have our pan now out of the refrigerator. It was only in there about 10 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and do this first one and see how it's going to work. I don't know exactly about the time. See if all the nerds had a chance to actually collect on our gummy strip, or if we need to put it back in there, or what have you. Let's just find out. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that nerd rope. I didn't get another piece of parchment so I could put it on there. Hold on. Alright, so we got a better setup now. So This first nerd rope. And as you can see, we did them thicker than we did before. Look at that, how easy that was. And so if you do them this way, you don't even need a mold. Just put your nerds inside the tray. You got complete control over how thick or how wide that you want your nerd ropes with the squeeze bottle. With the squeeze bottle, you have complete control over how wide or how not wide you want your nerd ropes. So this right here is a great fast method. Look at this. Nerd rope. And so look, so now we have a bed of nerds ready to go. All you have to do is, you see we have some more gummies right here. Remember in the first video that we did, we only used a cup, so this is another cup right here. I can go ahead and put those in the measuring cup, melt those down, take some more oil, and make some more nerd ropes. So there it is, guys. That's our proof of concept that if you just lay the nerds in the tray with the squeeze bottle, because of all the control that you have with it, just make your lines in it, cover it up, and you're ready to go. So now that we know that that works, let's go ahead and go to our nerd bites and let's see how they turned out. Here we go. All right, guys, so I just took the ice tray out of the freezer. What I've done is I've taken the knife and I sprayed it with that spray so that it won't stick. I want to go ahead and start getting these bites out of here. Let's see how they look, if it worked out. Here we go. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is a different way for you to do the nerd ropes. As you can see, doing it this way, you have full control over how big or small you want it, how wide or not wide that you want it. This is a great way to do it. So for everybody that's thinking about, yo, I don't feel like making that mold every time, you really can do it just by putting the nerds in the tray, putting the gummy mix on top of that, put some nerds on the top of that. Bingo bango, is super easy. Alright guys, so that's it. We did an update video on the nerd ropes. I hope that you found this video helpful. It really is easy doing it this way, so this may be a way that you want to consider doing it whenever you're doing it yourself. I'm trying to give you all the information I can about every topic, so that way I can empower you to go out and do it yourself. Please don't forget to check the membership program that we have here on the channel. You get some great perks for joining the membership program. If you want to support us off of YouTube, please join our Patreon. It really does help whenever we're making all these videos. I really appreciate all the love and all the support from everybody, guys. So until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'll see you. I'm out.